Are you a student, a working professional, an entrepreneur, or wondering, aspiring to become one? Well, four skills are urgently required if you want to become a successful student, working professional, an entrepreneur, or aspiring to be one. First, the first skill is to have a winner's mindset. It involves having a positive attitude, resilience, and the ability to overcome any kind of obstacle. Skill number two, which is preeminent, is communication. Communication in English. Being able to effectively communicate with others is crucial for building relationships, networking, and conveying ideas, be it at home, work, office, or field. It includes both verbal and written communication, as well as the ability to listen carefully and empathetically in the most used global language, and that is English. Skill number three, time management. In today's fast paced world, time is a most precious resource. Learning to prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, stay organized, and it can make all the difference to you and your lifestyle. Time management is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter with clarity. Lastly, the most important is the continuous learning approach. It is the key to staying ahead in today's fast paced world. It includes staying up to date on industry trends, seeking out new opportunities for growth and development, being open to feedback, constructive criticism. What are the current trends of careers and what is the major requirement? Aligning all of these skills with a focus on learning English can greatly enhance one's chances of success in any field. If you agree and want to bring a change in your life, then DM me to join any course or classes, online or offline. Very soon, the batches will begin from 13th April. Do join my FB Live of 7 days where I shall be covering each aspect of these skills. Will that interest you? Yes, it can be a turning point in your life and career.